Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you human health analyzer using Python. So first user have to sign up with the email ID. So let's enter the demo email ID and then password, and we have to enter the same password which you have entered earlier, and then click on the sign up. User successfully entered. Now click on sign in button, and user have to enter the email ID and password. Enter the password and then click on the sign in button. So it will open the home page. This is the about section. This is the heart analysis section. It will give the complete information about project. This is the contact doctor section where it will show the name, expired email ID. It will show the breast cancer analysis, diabetes, and the heart analysis. So let's enter the one by one details. Age, gender, chest pain level 0 to 3, resting blood pressure in mmHg, cholesterol in mg/dl, fasting blood sugar more than 120 mg/dl, yes or no, resting electrocardiography result, maximum heart rate achieved, exercise induced angina, yes or no, depression induced by exercise relative, slope of the peak. According to the input, model predict the thalassemia 3, 6 or 7. Now let's change the value in the blood disorder. It will show the unidentified input in exercise induced angina field. Let's change the value and click on analyze. Risk of the heart disease are low. So let's click on diabetes analysis, and we have to enter the age, glucose, insulin, pregnancies, skin thickness, blood pressure, body mass index, diabetes, pedigree, function. This is breast cancer analysis. Enter the value of radius, area, perimeter, texture and smoothness. Let's enter the value of breast cancer analysis, like 17.99 of radius, area 1001, perimeter 122.8, texture 10.38, smoothness 0.1184, and then click on analyze. So it will show the risk of breast cancer are low. This is the contact doctor page, and this will be the logout 10. So it will show the admin and the user section. Let's go to admin section. User have to enter the email ID and password of admin, and then click on sign in button. Heart disease analyzer dataset, breast cancer analyzer dataset, view diabetes analyzer dataset, edit doctor details. You can easily search, update, delete. Let's update the doctor details, serial number, name, expertise, email ID and address, and then click on save button. So it will save the data. Okay, it will save the data. User can delete, update, add new, reset and search operation. So you can, let's close it. This will be the user feedback option, and let's log out. It will again open the login and sign up section. So let's enter with the email ID and password, then click on sign in. So it will give the user feedback, user logout, and let's close this software. This is the complete project. If you are in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.